Is this... Oh, that looks like... I don't know. That's just a big pile of ice. There's the pole. I think it's gonna be a two-man job on the tent. Went in there, I could see the pole. It looks like it just snapped. Like it's standing up, snapped like that. I haven't looked in the other one yet. Let's go do that right now. Ideally, the pole didn't break in this one. Oh yeah, yeah, pole's broken. To the valley! You ready to unzip this package?
I don't want to go in there.
What, are you scared?
Yep.
Don't be scared.
Hey, bear. Sorry, I'm Sans hat. I left it in the truck. Oh, it's not so bad. Oh, why do you even need to fix it? You can totally sleep in here.
You could stay in there if you wanted to. It's not supposed to rain or nothing.
Mind the flap. Huh? So far, not so bad.
Yeah, it's a little wet. No big deal. Yeah. All right, keep that up. I'll get the pole. No, that's ice right there. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, come. Ah, wait. The ball! Stop! It's bent.
Like, it is broken.
I think it's fixable. So here's the idea. This thing crinkled right here. But I think we'll be able to use old camping poles and T-Rex tape, which is just super strong duct tape. It's like Minecraft. This plus this equals a tent. Watch.
Don't tape me.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna get them in place and then we'll put like structural tape on.
Yeah.
One more.
Or as they say, south of the water, just we one more.
They say that north of the border. Anybody else concerned that I'm suspiciously accurate with duct tape?
Suspicious. Oh, maybe. Well, we discussed in one of our episodes that you don't kidnap people in your truck.
No, I use my wife's car.
No.
This is ridiculously strong stuff.
We're about to find out.
So you ready to shove it in a hole?
Hold on, we need to first get the canvas ready.
Okay. Oh boy. Oh wow, that is a big block of ice.
Oh, and then the canvas is like,
Iced to it?
yeah, I need a hammer. Satisfying.
Do you want to go in and hold it up and I will bring the pole in and shove it up?
Oh, we don't want any of that. I need the door.
Ah! Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Hurt.
No, save it. Put it in the cooler.
Put it in the cooler, it says. Here, this is actually hot. Weird.
Where is it? See it. Right there. Nope, you missed. Wait, just gotta go in this. Oh wait, oh yeah, that's right. Up we go. Where's the center?
Right there. So now we gotta move it to the center. He still has not done it. Still hasn't done it. It's a leaning.
That's
solid.
stout. Ooh,
That's stout.
It's falling on me. It's raining.
Water
It's raining inside the tent.
through that. The mesh. That's okay.
I want to see.
Come in.
Aww.
It's a mess.
It is a mess, but it's sleepable.
It's sleepable. I call bed.
Can you believe that's still
I was thinking that, yeah.
2 years it's been sitting out here?
No way.
Just like that.
No
Family
shit.
show.
Hey, that's the only patch we've ever had to do to it.
Are you serious?
It is raining in this tent.
It's gonna be okay. So as long as it's not hitting the bed.
Those are dry. Those are dry.
Yep.
Stop raining on me.
You're talking about everything's dry and it's raining outside.
This is
Work.
leaning back.
Yeah. Well, because this should be pulling it this way.
Push that. See, that's true. No, that's not true. This just needs to get adjusted. Hold on. This is no longer the center.
How odd. How could that possibly be true? That way.
Which way?
That way.
This way?
Uh-huh.
Towards me?
A little more. I think it's just that way. I think it needs to be in line with the old circle. How's that feel?
Not as sturdy.
It's not as sturdy as it used to be.
Sleepable. I think that's not bad.
Do you think it's because the strings need to be tightened?
They're still attached.
Yeah, but do they need to be tightened?
I love that.
Oh,